Welcome back, winners, to this February Friday Family Fun Day in Disneyland. Today, no agenda, no challenge, just me and the fam, Goofy, hanging out in Disneyland and just going wherever the winds blow us. Along the way, we'll do some park science and do some general observations, and we have one single mission today. A friend of ours needs us to find that specific backpack for him. So, that's the only real mission for the day. Is enjoy Disneyland with the family and check out all the characters that we can, like Daisy and Goofy, polishing up, and ride as many Disneyland attractions as we can. Let's get into it. First observations of the day. It is slow. There was literally nobody in line at the Toy Story shuttles. And Main Street looking pretty sparse at the moment, and there was nobody in line for security and nobody in line for the ticket booth. We walked right on. I mean, from the time we got to Toy Story till the time we were in the park was like 11 minutes flat. I think that might be a record in itself. Don't know. There's some construction going on. I'm sure it's just paint and polish, but yeah, looks not too bad on Main Street right now. Let's get into this park and see what today brings. Some observation, as I said, little construction action. I'm sure this is paint and polish, but what does that do for the projections at night? Since they project from those buildings onto these buildings. Curious. I don't know if we're gonna make it here that late. It is just after 2 in the afternoon on what could be a record-breaking temperature. February 27th, Friday, and they are calling for record-breaking temperatures. It's already 90 degrees in February. Welcome to Southern California. Woody and Jesse. Rise of the Resistance was broken down when we first got here. It is now showing open with a wait time of 30 minutes. I'm on a mad dash to hop in line and see what it looks like. I speak often about a call to action. It has jumped up to 40 minutes. It looks like they just opened Switchback 2, so this is probably 30 minutes to the Ray Room. Do have movement all throughout the line. Eight minutes to the waterfall, not too bad. 30 minutes on the nose. Disney winner still got it.
Securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you.
Boba Fett. By himself. Well, I mean, he's got his handler, but nobody's swarming him. Look how empty. Ahsoka. Honestly, I'm surprised how many characters are out right now because it's still hot. Scored a little cast member magic and got offered Lightning Lane on Big Thunder. So we're going to do that. Afternoon snack. One of the best meals in the park. If you know, you know. Marshall got one all by himself. We're going to attempt to rope drop another breakdown. The mansion has been broken down. It is now back open and posted at 20 minutes. We were able to score Rise of the Resistance in 30 minutes, I think. And this is hustling through here, so I think we're in good shape. 20 minutes. Very little Lightning Lane impact so far, but they're walking straight up into the last sort of mixing point. Might be our second rope drop breakdown of the day. 12 minutes to the stretching room. Rope dropped another breakdown. I know that's not what this episode is about, but 12 minutes, that's a rope drop and a breakdown, baby. Score.
Rack on a table. It's It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Never gone through here so slowly. Time for a little after dark park hopping. We have been so far unsuccessful in our quest for the Loungefly Stitch backpack. So we're gonna run down downtown Disney real quick and check out the big Disney store there, see if we can find it, but homeboy might be out of luck.
Yeah.
New treat, pull apart pizza bread. Yum. Yeah, we were going to look at Single Rider on Incredicoaster, but good lord, backed up to Coco's again. Let's go see what the actual wait time is on this.
Like 55 minutes.
Oh lord, 55 minutes. Oh boy. This is Marshall's trip. He didn't want to wait in that line either. So we're going to probably go Soarin', California, and we may do that Single Rider. If you know this bear's name, and it's not Grizzly, if you know his name, put it in the comments below. Haha. There's literally nobody in line. They're calling that, they've got that posted 60? Oh. Hold on. They're saying it's broken. Let's see what's going on here. It apparently had broken down, but it is now back open and running, and this will be our third rope drop the breakdown today. That's winning. Nice. That was 11 minutes to the door. 11 minutes. I'm calling that a win for sure, because as soon as 5 minutes in that line, we turned around and it had tripled in size. So that is rope dropping the breakdown. Well, winners, I think that's going to do it for us tonight, at least in the parks. Mama has gone one other place down on Hollywood Boulevard to try to find the elusive Stitch purse backpack doodah day. Nobody else in the parks have it. We went to every single store and talked to one lady in the big store over in Disneyland proper. She said she hadn't seen it in like 4 months. So, out of luck, Ian, my friend. I found a couple of places online that might have it. I'll let you know. But great day, just chilling in the park today. As you can see, people are now finally starting to show up for fireworks, etc. But that is going to do it for us. Unless Mama miraculously runs into that purse, I'll epilogue and show you that. But otherwise, we will see you winners later. Thanks for following along. Oh, and look what just happened to show up at the end of the night. Haven't seen you all day, sucker. Monorail. Woohoo! What a way to end the day.